Okay, Assalamualaikum. I'm going to show you how to join the classes from tomorrow. First of all, you're going to check your time zone from control panel. If you don't know where the control panel of your computer is, you can search it from here. Here in the taskbar you can write control panel and it will give you the control panel. From here you can click it and open it. Alright, in the control panel you're going to go on date and time and check if the time is correct. Here the time should be UTC +5 Islamabad zone. Time zone should be Islamabad Karachi. If the time zone is not same, you're going to select the correct time zone from here, select OK and apply and OK. Alright, once the time zone is set, you're going to log into Teams. You're going to put here the login ID that I have provided, the CSN1. Since you're going to log in the first time, it might ask you to change your password. It will ask you for password. Since I'm not signing in for the first time, it will not ask me for the password, but with you it's going to ask for the password and might ask you to change the password. If you want, you can change the password and set it to something that you may remember easily. Alright, after you have put in the password, it should log in, but Teams take a little bit of time and it's going to take a bit of time before it logins. Alright, once it logins, you can see there is a calendar on this left side. You will click calendar button on the left side. You will click on calendar. It will take a time. It will take some time to log into this calendar. Okay, once the calendar will show, you will scroll up it takes a little bit of time for the calendar to load up, so you need to be patient for the calendar to load. Once the calendar has completely loaded, this is 15th July, alright, tomorrow's, and you're going to scroll up to 10:30 time. This at 10:30, this is how you're going to see your calendar. So at 10:30 tomorrow morning, a join button will appear on this English class. You will click on it and join it. That's it. At 11:05, the join button will appear on maths. At 11:40, join button will appear on arts class, and at 12:15, the join button will appear on science class. That is it. That is how you're going to join the classes. If your calendar is not showing this timetable at 10:30 a.m. 15th July, that means your time zone is not correct. Kindly check your time zone and then you can join. I hope this helps. Thank you very much.